But instead of seashells, you find plastic bottles. But instead of seashells, you find plastic bottles, bags, and wrappers scattered everywhere. Now just imagine one of those plastic bags is consumed by a turtle as it mistakes it for a jellyfish. It eats the plastic and dies. Now, the saddest part of this story is this wasn't a natural disaster, it was something created by us. Today, I'm Nikita Chaudhary from PM Shri Jawan Navodaya Vidyalaya Pachpatra stand here before you to present my thoughts on the topic reducing plastic pollution, a problem we created, a future we can change. Plastic is really very harmful for our environment. And the question was, why plastic? Because plastic has made our lives easier. It's light, it's cheap, it's convenient, but the convenience comes with a hidden cost. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up on land, in rivers and in ocean where it remains for hundreds of years. And the question is no longer, is plastic useful? The real question is, can we continue using it in this way? Plastic pollution simply means accumulation of plastic waste in nature. Unlike other materials like leaves or papers, plastic doesn't decompose. Instead, it breaks down into tiny particles called microplastics. Microplastics are found everywhere. They are in food, in soil, in drinking water, and surprisingly, inside our body. This isn't just India's problem, it's world's problem. Every year, the world has produced around 430 million tons of plastic and less than 10% is recycled. Can you imagine the scale? Less than 10%. And the remaining plastic is dumped in, burned or reaches to the rivers and the ocean. And this is the level of this crisis. Plastic pollution doesn't just make the places look dirty, it destroys life. Turtle mistakes it for jellyfish, birds feed their chicks with the plastic. Every year, many fishes trapped in the discarded fishing nets. Every year, many animals die not because of the predators, but because of the something humans used for just few minutes and then threw it away. And this is not for animals only, it comes back to us also. Microplastics are found everywhere. They are in drinking water, in seafood, in soil, and even inside our blood. Scientists are researching for the long-term effects, but one thing is clear. If we are harming the nature, if we are polluting the nature eventually returns that pollution back to us. Imagine you are eating or consuming a credit card every week. Sounds